Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 25 from our advanced parts, and this part, or should I say this video, will be broken up into two different ones just so that we can cover all the different options. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back into the program here. Now, like I mentioned, today's part is probably the most options a part has that we've looked at yet. So up to now, this is going to be our most advanced part we're looking at. And because of the amount of options, I'm unfortunately breaking it into two different sections. But in future, as you guys get the hang of it, we might just keep them on one. So let's go to flat parts. Then what we're going to do is go to P25. And when we open this, you can see here we've got quite a list. I don't know how many is this? 2, 4, 6, 8. So we've got 9 parts over here just on one single, or 9 options on one single part. And like I mentioned before, it can get quite confusing. If you look at the sample here, you know, that's it's almost becoming more like maths than just deciphering a basic formula. Okay, so first things we want to look at is obviously the width and height. So we've got here A and B. So let's fill in those so long. Let's go to the top A and B. So I'm going to make this one maybe 300 and 200. So the B is going to be slightly less. And then next up, what we have here is we have X1 and Y1. So let's zoom in and quickly find those. So you can see here's X1. So this is going to be the width between the actual outside shape and the circles inside. So this is going to be the width. And then we said Y1, which is going to be the height. So this X should be for both sides, and Y1 should be for the bottom and the top. So let's fill them in quick. So I'm going to make them about 20 each, so we've got equal spacing right around. Then next up here we want to look at D. So D, like in many of the other ones, it's going to be the diameter of the circles, as you can see over there. Now we are not playing with very large scales, so I would say let's maybe make the D, can go anywhere from 10 to 20. Let's just go 20. I wonder if we can preview already. No, we have to fill in the rest. Now this is where it gets slightly confusing, but yeah, we will do that in the next video. So otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the bottom right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.